Eto. Dito naman, let's have another question. And now we'll be focusing on your prevention po ng ating dengue hemorrhagic fever. This is quite environmental nursing. So, pero lalabas to, I'm very, very certain, yung mga ganitong tanungan sa inyong NP1. Okay? So, now, again, going back to your dengue, pinaulanan down ng questions ng dengue, filariasis, etc. yung ating mga November PNL takers. And that's just fine because ganyan talaga. At least we've prepared for the questions that's possibly gonna be asked in your PNLE based from the TOS. Okay, so now let's start answering this one. And this one again, as what I've said, focus naman siya sa environmental or disease prevention or health promotion services. Okay, so a nurse provides community education, so health education ha, on preventing dengue. So dapat alam natin. Okay, so which intervention daw is the most effective? So tama naman itong nasa options po natin, pero ang tinatanong dito is the most. So if we're gonna be ranking again your A, B, C, and D, sino ba dyan ang letter or sino ba dyan ang number one? Okay, sabi sa letter A, using mosquito coils during night time. So ito yung alam natin na katol, no? Lion, tiger, katol. Okay, sabi sa letter A, katol daw, yung lion, tiger. Okay, during night time. Letter B, eliminating stagnant water in containers. Letter C, wearing thick clothing outdoors. Or letter D, spraying insecticide once a month. Okay, so again, going back, dengue ang tanong, nag-educate si nurse, alin daw dito ang most effective? Okay, so dahil most effective, you read between the lines, and then let's try to answer if what's most effective, what's very natural, um, what's sustainable, or what really is easy to do. Actually, ganun lang siya eh. The easiest thing to do is the best thing to do here. Okay, sabi sa letter A. Let's try to this letter A. Using mosquito coils during nighttime. This is only, tandaan natin na nilagay during nighttime. At ang tanong dito is most effective. So, this is only effective at night. Remember that one. And another thing to consider also that your Aedes mosquitoes, okay, which are the type of mosquitoes in your dengue fever, only bite during the day. So, tandaan natin, during nighttime, mali po yung talagang konsepto. Yes, napapaalis po natin yung mosquitoes, but the question here is preventing dengue. Okay? So, your Aedes mosquitoes, they bite usually during the daytime. That's why having this in the nighttime is not that effective, mga kapatid. Sabi sa letter D, spraying insecticide. Okay, di muna tayo. Spraying insecticide once a month. Tandaan natin ha, once a month. At ang tinatanong natin dito is most effective. Okay, so this is this is a management that we can consider. However, this is a temporary type of management, and it does not really eliminate the root cause, no? Which are the mosquito breeding sites. Okay, so ang root cause talaga dapat dito, ang kailangan nating puksain kung saan sila nakatira, kung saan sila nagbi-breed. That's a most sustainable or most effective or more effective intervention. Okay, so letter D is eliminated. Sabi naman sa letter C, wearing thick clothing outdoors. Oh, ayan. Could you bear yourself wearing thick clothing outdoors all the time? So, this is maybe true, but this provides only partial protection. No, and it is also impractical, lalo-lalo na sa mga bansa na katulad ng Pilipinas. Mainit po sa atin. Okay? So, you can't have those thick clothing most of the time or all the time. So, letter C is also impractical. This is also not so effective. So between letter B and letter C, of course, the best answer here is letter B. Eliminating the stagnant water. As what I've said a while ago, you treat or you try to eliminate the root cause. Kung saan sila nagbi-breed, that's the area where we need to really manage out there, kapatid. Okay, so it's the most effective community education on how to prevent dengue. Okay? So, remember that your Aedes aegypti mosquitoes breed in clean, stagnant water. So, you need to eliminate those. Removing these breeding sites is the most effective and evidence-based dengue prevention strategy. Yan. So, di ba, alam natin yan, yung 4S strategy or yung simpleng 4 o'clock habit and also those trying just to really eliminate those breeding sites by cleaning our area and our surroundings at eliminating all of those stagnant waters or containers na meron tayo sa bahay natin. For more nursing tips, kapatid, follow me on my Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel.